The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. The novel virus was first identified in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. A lockdown in Wuhan and other cities in Hubei province failed to contain the outbreak, and it spread to other parts of mainland China and around the world. The World Health Organization, WHO, declared a public health emergency of international concern on January 30, 2020, and a pandemic on March 11, 2020. Since 2021, variants of the virus have emerged and become dominant in many countries, with the Delta, Alpha and Beta variants being the most virulent. As of September 15, 2021, more than 225 million cases and 4.64 million deaths have been confirmed, making it one of the deadliest pandemics in history. COVID-19 symptoms range from unnoticeable to life-threatening. Severe illness is more likely in elderly patients and those with certain underlying medical conditions. The disease transmits when people breathe in air contaminated by droplets and small airborne particles. The risk of breathing these in is highest when people are in close proximity, but still present over longer distances, particularly indoors. Transmission can also occur, rarely, via contaminated surfaces or fluids. People remain contagious for up to 20 days, and can spread the virus even if they do not develop symptoms. Recommended preventive measures include social distancing, wearing face masks in public, ventilation and air filtering, covering one's mouth when sneezing or coughing, hand washing, disinfecting surfaces, and quarantining people exposed or symptomatic. Several vaccines have been distributed in many countries since December 2020. Treatments focus on addressing symptoms, but work is underway to develop medications that inhibit the virus. Authorities worldwide have responded by implementing travel restrictions, lockdowns, business closures, workplace hazard controls, testing protocols, and systems for tracing contacts of the infected. The pandemic has resulted in severe global social and economic disruption, including the largest global recession since the Great Depression of the 1930s. It has led to widespread supply shortages exacerbated by panic buying, agricultural disruption, food shortages, and decreased emissions of pollutants. Numerous educational institutions and public areas have been partially or fully closed, and many events have been cancelled or postponed. Misinformation has circulated through social media and mass media, and political tensions have been exacerbated. The pandemic has raised issues of racial and geographic discrimination, health equity, and the balance between public health imperatives and individual rights.